Your home should feel solid, quiet, unshakable. But when walls crack and doors drag, your home is already sending a message. Something underneath is moving. In South Louisiana, soft soil and standing water press against your foundation every day. Over time, that pressure makes concrete bend, crack, and sink. W.C.K. doesn't cover symptoms, we correct structural issues. For 40 years, our crews have stabilized thousands of homes with systems built to last. Every project starts with a free, detailed estimate that pinpoints exactly where your home needs support. Then we install concrete piers, inside and out, driven up to 8 feet into stable ground. For interior piers, we carefully break through the slab to reach solid footing, then install our piers for solid support. Each pier is adjusted with steel shims to millimeter precision until your foundation is stable. Our jobs are customized to what each individual home needs. Our goal is to stabilize your home for good. W.C.K. Foundation Repair. Structural problems need structural solutions, and we've been proving it for over 4 decades.